Kolkata, the city of joy, is also the cultural capital of India. It is the largest city in eastern India. Kolkata has always been a place of love and attraction to the world. Let's find out the top 10 places to visit in Kolkata. Indian Museum. It is the ninth oldest museum in the world and largest in India. With its splendid collection of contemporary paintings, sacred relics of Buddha, Egyptian mummies, and ancient sculptures, the museum takes us back in time to witness a fascinating past. Howrah Bridge. It is located on Hooghly River, connecting the twin cities of Howrah and Kolkata in West Bengal. It is considered to be among the largest cantilever bridges in the world, commissioned in 1943. It is officially known as Ravindra Setu. Victoria Memorial. It is a magnificent marble building in Kolkata dedicated to Queen Victoria, the then Empress of England. It is a must visit tourist destination for the first time visitors to experience the essence of Victorian era in the midst of the bustling metro city of Kolkata. Dakshineshwar Temple. Located on the banks of river Hooghly, the Dakshineshwar Kali Temple is one of the most popular places of worship not only in Kolkata but all across eastern India. The beauty and charm of the Dakshineshwar Kali Temple is known to be such that a trip to Kolkata is often said to be incomplete without a visit to the temple. Moreover, a skywalk has been built from Dakshineshwar railway station to the temple for the ease of the visitors. Birla Planetarium. It is a single storied circular structure designed in the typical Indian style, whose architecture is loosely styled on the Buddhist stupa at Sanchi. It is the oldest and largest planetarium in Asia and second largest in the world. Daily programs and shows are conducted in various languages for the public. It is a place surely to visit for those who have a passion to know the earth and the universe. Nico Park. It is an amusement park located in Salt Lake City of Kolkata. It was created to attract tourists by providing family friendly recreation as well as educative entertainment. Nico Park provides a green environment for a great weekend. It is a must visit tourist destination for the people of all ages from old to child. Belur Mutt. It is the headquarters of the Sri Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission, founded by Swami Vivekananda, the chief disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa. It is located on the bank of river Hooghly, opposite to the Dakshineshwar temple. It is a place of pilgrimage for people from all over the world. People come here for calm and peace. The serenity of the place compels the visitors to revisit the place every time. Jorashako Thakurbari. It is the ancestral home of the Tagore family. In this house, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was born. The house has been restored to reflect the way the household looked when the Tagore family lived in it, and currently served as the Tagore Museum for Kolkata. Netaji Bhavan. It was the residence of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in Kolkata. The house was built by Janakinath Bose, father of Subhash Chandra Bose, in 1909. It is now owned and managed by the Netaji Research Bureau and includes a museum archive and library. Bose escaped from house arrest at Netaji Bhavan in 1941 and fled to Berlin. Esplanade. It is the heart of Kolkata. It consists of the region just north of the Maidan and includes Dalhousie Square with all its colonial British buildings. The district takes a visitor back to the Raj era with nostalgic overtones. Many of the city's important buildings are located here. It is the central business district of the city. All the major hotels, restaurants, markets are all located in this place. One can do all shoppings here.